the side of climate change, green energy. If there is
I
that
Agriculture,
opportunity, I think I would.
I agree. That's where a lot of money is. That's one of the reasons I sent this to Lawrence and McGregory, because I think collaboration between protein design and then engineers like More Life, I think it would be such a stellar. Oh my gosh, that would be such a tight submission and entry to this because you're really approaching it from
Yeah.
both angles, the mechanic and physics based angle. Like, basically, More Life is an electrician, but he's like a research type electrician. He can make a.
Yes.
He was just talking about making a whole robot, a whole AI bot, a lawnmower that is automated just now, right? Now imagine combining that with a really specialized protein molecule that only recognizes a specific signal, right? Combine those two things together, you could really have the synergy of a prototype that could potentially be ready by the end of next year, and could be even shelf ready in a few years time, because that's the other thing. Protein design for Africa, you guys are so focused on healthcare and therapeutics, which is, I get it,
agriculture.
that's where most people are focused on in protein design. But the problem is, with clinical trials and regulations and stuff, things take so long for it to become even profitable, to become even see the light of day. Whereas in climate change, in bioremediation, in even agriculture, indeed, there is much less pushback in that area. There's much less red tape that needs to be handled. So your thing can go from protein design to in-hand product being sold on Amazon in a very short amount of time. And so I think the four of us should work on this. What do you guys think?
Okay, when I looked at it yesterday, they really focused on farmers, on stuff related to agriculture, and how we can help African farmers maybe get more yield. That was mainly their focus. So that's what they are going to mainly focus on solving. So if you have an idea on agriculture, that's something that's well, like maybe a protein that can maybe a pesticide. I don't know, a protein that fights it that can kill a disease, a plant disease. I don't know, but it has to relate to agriculture and should to help farmer.
Yes. I have something. Maybe if you allow me to say it, I have something that I think, Doc, I once sent you on WhatsApp.